Okay, so I've got the Snap-on Modus Ultra. It's got oldish software, does up to 2015. It will still do newer cars, but only in OBD2. So basically the difference between that is scanner is a lot more OEM and bi-directional software. And OBD is just basic code reading and live data and that. But anyway, the top 5 reasons to own one of these is obviously it saves you money. Just erasing the code, they charge you 60 quid, some places do. And obviously you've got all the other functions as well. This one's got a built-in scope and a guided component tests. So this one is really a good machine. But basically, the number one reason to have it is you can do a scan, a health scan, health check. If you're buying a new car, do a health check of a car. It'll check all the systems. It'll tell you if anything's wrong, give you a list of problems. Obviously, it's not plugged in at the minute, but that is worth its money on its own. Number 2 reason is for, obviously, checking codes. If you get an engine light come up, you can go into either OBD2 or into the scanner. It's going to find that code, and it's going to give you some information, and you're going to be able to narrow down what the fault is. They're not perfect, but they are getting better. And most of the time you get a number, you check it, it gives you a general area to look, and you can usually find the faulty part, especially if you use the guided component test to test. You don't want to be just changing parts, you want to be testing the parts to make sure they're faulty. Then the best thing about these things is live data. So we're going to training mode. And live data is the main thing I use on these. Should have loads of different PIDs. And you can just go through everything, like tells you the engine speeds. Short-term fuel trims, they're highly useful for checking for fueling problems and for O2 sensor problems. So there you go, live data, you've got to learn that, you've got to master the art of that. That is the best part about these machines. You can check RPM, temperatures, O2 sensors, fuel trims. Brilliant. So lastly, checking emissions. Emissions are a big thing now with MOTs and that. I'm not sure how to get it on this machine, but sometimes you can do an emissions check. Probably readiness monitors, actually. But anyway, if you can find it, do an emissions check as well before you buy a car. If you fail your emissions, you could be spending a lot of money. So that is it. There's millions of reasons to have one, but they're the top 5 in my opinion. So get one.